All right, everybody, we are here at 700 South Main Street in Lapeer, Michigan. This is Lapeer Market Place. We got an elevator here. Check this out. We got an Otis elevator right here. So, let's take a ride on it. This is kind of interesting, but let's take a ride. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. All right, we'll go to 2. That doesn't look good. We are at 2. We'll get a look real quick. See, here we are up on the 2nd floor, which pretty much just gives you access to the 2nd floor for all these businesses. Nice elevator overall, considering it is outside. It's a pretty nice elevator. All right, we'll go back to 1. Phone box is broken. That's probably the machine room right there. All right, that will be it.